This video is going to explain why I chose the test that I chose. When we come to the first category of interval statistics from the quantitative data analysis, we need to know whether we are going down the route of parametric tests or non-parametric tests. To help us decide which one, we need to know what each category means. So parametric tests are tests that test for interval and ratio data, whereas non-parametric tests require nominal and ordinal data. Tests that we did was basketball and netball. These two tests require ratio data, as the shots taken are frequencies. Because this test was ratio, it means we go down the parametric test category. We had interval data from the long jump and shoe size, which means it was intervals, and the intervals were all the same. The second type of diagram, so here, is going to define our research further, as we know we did the test of basketball and netball. From this, we already know it is interval or ratio types of data. So we go down this route here. As after the test was taken place, we look to see if there was a difference. It means we go down the analyze mean difference. So down here, the tests are tests that require a lot more sets of data, whereas we know we are only using 2 sets of data, so it is t-tests. So the MANOVA and ANOVA tests use a lot more sets of data, but the t-tests use only 2 sets of data, and we are looking at basketball, netball, so we know we are using 2 sets of data. But we need to find out which type of t-test we are using, as it is hard. As it had a t-test, we can have independent or dependent. We know we have done basketball and netball, which are 2 independent types of data. We go up the separate groups of data. The 2 separate groups of data, so it is an independent t-test. Finally, looking at the Pearson's test, we know we are looking at shoe size or long jump, so it is an interval or ratio type, and we are looking at the relationship. So we go down here, and we know we are looking at the relationship between the shoe size and jump distance, which are also 2 variables. So we go down the relationship and to the 2 variables. So we know it's a Pearson's product of movement correlation efficient test.